Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go video for you guys. I have not done a wash and go in a while. The last couple of times I've washed my hair, I have done a twist out. And you guys, if you have not seen my previous videos, I did mention that I cut my hair, mainly because I wanted to add some volume and layers to my hair. That way when my hair grows out, it can just, have the volume and stuff going on. So I am looking forward to doing this wash and go. The product that I'm going to be using is one that everybody has been raving about. The product is actually, I put it down here on the floor, but the product is actually Wetline Xtreme. So this gel right here, everybody has been swearing by it, and I feel like from the videos that I have watched on YouTube, and the people that have like the same kind of curl texture as me, it worked for them. So I'm excited to see if it will work for me. A lot of people have been saying that this product is drying to the hair, and I'm a little bit scared about what product to use with this gel, because I know sometimes with gels you never know whether a leave-in will flake up with you when paired with this. So the leave-in that I'm going to be pairing with this is actually a liquid leave-in. This is Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. I'm hoping that because it's a liquid, it won't, do that whole flake up business, because I will be so sad if it does that. I did test out this product on my hands with some of my other leave-ins, and they kind of turned white. So I don't know, I was scared to use those, so I'm just going with this liquid one, and I'm just going to jump right into applying this gel. So I'm going to start off by just spraying my hair, saturating this section with my Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. And I don't always go for this conditioner, but like I said, I'm going for it today because I was scared that my other conditioners would flake up on me. My brush is on the floor. Let me grab it. Alright, so I'm using my wet brush, my handy dandy wet brush. Alright, just to detangle. And when I do my wash and goes, it just depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I like to go curl by curl and apply the gel. Sometimes I like to just take a big section like this and apply the gel. So what I'm going to do today is just detangle this section and then apply the gel to this whole section, and then kind of, work it on each of the curl strands that way. So let's go ahead. Alright, so I am going to take this gel, taking a little bit first. I'm gonna rub it together in my hands. This gel is really cold, like what the world. This gel can be found at your local Walmart. I could not find it at my local Walmart, so I ended up ordering on Amazon, and I got 2 big old jars of this gel, so hopefully it works. That way, I didn't waste my money, because it came with 2. Okay, it feels really nice. Feels really nice. Let me make sure I get it on my roots. I wish I had one of those, not my Denman brush, but I think it's called Felicia Leatherwood brush. I wish I had one of those. I really did. Alright, so right now I'm just going to take my Denman brush, because that's all I have right now. I'm just going to be careful with using this, starting at the bottom of my hair and working my way up. I just want to make sure I get all these tangles out of my hair, especially at the bottom. As you can see, my hair is shrinking up. That's just the nature of the Denman brush. I usually do not use this. So my hair feels really, really nice, I must say. It does. I'm going to take a little bit more gel and apply it to this section. I cannot describe the way that this feels. It's not sticky, guys. Like how a gel would normally, like your Eco Styler gel. It's giving me a lot of holes so far, eliminating that frizz in the areas where I need a little bit more gel. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna try to go through this really fast because I am going to defuse my hair. So that's this first section. I'm liking this, guys, I must say. Alright, so now moving on to my next section. Alright, so I have one side of my hair done, and I'm just going to move on to this side of my hair. So far, you guys, I'm really liking this. My hair feels really nice. This gel is applying to my hair so good. I'm not having to struggle with it. My hair feels right now really soft, so we'll see what it does when it dries, but right now I'm liking it. all picked out and fluffed out how I wanted it to be, and this is what I got. I recommend this gel. My hair does not feel dry right now. I don't know how it's gonna feel in a couple days, but right now it does not feel dry. It has a firm hold, doesn't feel crunchy at all. Like I said, I did use a leave-in below this gel, like underneath this gel, so that could have helped with you know, combating some of that dryness. This gel is made with aloe vera. I know that's really good for your hair. So yeah, I recommend this product. You can purchase it. I actually saw this product as well in Sally's after I made my purchase on Amazon. So check your local Sally's for this product. I know they have the big jug like this, and they also have like a smaller tube size if you don't want to purchase this big old jar. But yeah, this is my hair, guys. Do you like it? You like the volume? And y'all know I am not good at creating volume, and I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know if you guys would like a tutorial on how I created this volume, because I could not do it on camera this time, but I think I mastered it. Tonight when I get ready to go to bed, I am probably going to band my hair into 4 sections upward, and that's how I'm going to preserve this style. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments how you like this style, if you have tried this gel before, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!